Hi you guys, it's Erica. I'm sorry that I missed the last vlog yesterday, but I didn't really do much of anything. I didn't feel good at all. Just kind of laid in bed all day. But it is nighttime currently, so I'm obviously really on the ball with things when it comes to vlogs. But I just thought I'd show you a little bit what I'm doing tonight. Just hanging with my friend and my dog. You know how that is, living the life. Alright, so I'll see you guys later. Bye! Diet. Lucky. Really good. Same. Same as Lucky. Guys, that's the end of this video. I'm really sorry it was like short and kind of boring. I didn't really do much today, so I didn't have much to vlog, but I put together a little something. So if you liked it, you can subscribe, maybe give it a thumbs up. Catherine, Carly, Monica, I love you, and I will see the rest of you guys tomorrow. Bye!
Bye. Bye-bye.